find me by the edge of what I felt. But pain was not the master, and heat was not the judge. Something deeper held its ground beneath the screaming strain. A holy weight, a living calm that would not let me cave. Now the smoke behind my shoulders is not my mark of shame. It is the proof that hell exhausted all it had and failed. You did not pull the fire away, you walked me through its mouth and stayed out of the furnace, still breathing, out of the furnace, still standing. What should have left me broken open only show the fire you had spoken. Out of the furnace I came changed, but I came out bearing your name. But I came out bearing your Burn what is false, refine what is true. Make my heart impossible to move. Strip the fear, leave the flame, leave the faith that answers to your name. Not consumed, not erased, only carried through the blaze. Now I walk with living proof that fire can serve the truth. Out of the furnace, still breathing, out of the furnace, still singing. What should have dragged me into silence turned into a shout of your defiance. Out of the furnace I came changed, but I came out bearing your name. But I came out bearing your name. Smoke behind me, dawn ahead, grace where terror said I'd end.